Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting chemistry video lessons by Adrenaline, the Bazooka Prophet. Now in this particular video, we're going to be taking a question from radioactivity. At the end of this video, every student should be able to address questions and solve questions under radioactivity. Right? So we'll just move straight to the video. But meanwhile, do not scroll. Hold on. Let us go straight to the question. The question says, if a piece of sheet contains only 15% of the iron it had when the sheet melter was made at the foundry, how long ago was the sheet melter manufactured, given that the half-life of iron is 45 days, and these are the options given to us on the board. Now this question is actually very simple, so you shouldn't be scared. I know it is very easy. Trust me when I say so. Now, few days ago, I went to deliver a lecture in chemistry in Abuja. I was invited by an academic organization, and this was one of the questions that someone asked me, and I'm going to be solving it for everyone around the world right now. Now, whenever you are given a question like this under half-life, radioactivity, nuclear chemistry, and they ask you what is your time or half-life, always use this formula. It will help you. The shortcut I always give to my students is 2.303 log NT over N naught is equal to negative decay constant multiplied by the time. So NT simply means the number of atoms that is remaining. N naught simply means the original atom or the original amount of substances. This decay constant, right? This one you are seeing here that look like a lambda is a decay constant, and your T is what? Your time. Now do not forget that from this question here, what is my NT, what is my N naught? From this question, you say if a piece of sheet contains only 15% of the iron it had when the sheet metal was made at the foundry, meaning this 15% was what was remaining, which you can also say 15% is equivalent to, let's say, 15 gram, having a total of 100, because percentage is 100. If percentage is 100 and I tell you that what was left was 15, these are you go back to. So it becomes what now? 2.303 log my NT, which was what was remaining, was 15. Your N naught, because NT percentage means that your original will be 100. Just take note of it. So here becomes 100 is equal to negative. Now, were you given for your decay constant from the question? No. But can I solve for it? Yes. Why? You will recall that decay constant is equal to 0.693 over what now? Half life, which is now equal to 0.693 over my half-life was 45 days. Don't convert anything except otherwise. So what do? You divide. That's 0.693 divided by 45 to give me 0.0154. Okay, 0.0154. So here become 0.0154 multiplied by time. So what will I do? I will resolve everything here with my calculator. So I will come here to say, okay, 2.303 log, take note, 15 divided by 100 will give me was 0.15. Let me make sure there is no error. 15 divided by 100, okay, so that all together will give me what? So I'll be having negative 1.8975 equal to negative 0.0154 time. So if I'm looking for my time is now equal to 1.8975 divided by 0.0154, which is equal to, so let me divide. So the final answer becomes 123 days. So if you check the options here, the correct option that matches the one that we got is option A. And this is the final answer to this question. As you can see, the steps I use here, whenever they tell you to find for time, follow this procedure and you will get your answer with ease. If you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe, like, and share. And above all, make sure if there's any question you are having, of course, do well to send me a direct message via my WhatsApp line for any live online classes which is currently ongoing. Thank you and God bless you.